What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because yes, we finally did it. We lifted our Tacoma, we put 285s on there, and boy oh boy does it look awesome. Now, we have a lot of video ideas and I'm sure you guys are gonna give me a ton more. So leave your comment suggestions down below because I haven't even gotten started with my videos on this Tacoma. Now, let's get all the basic stuff out of the way. This is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. I'm running a 2.5 inch lift in the front and around 1.5 to 2 inches in the rear. Now, my lift situation, my installation situation is very different from most people. So I'm gonna make a separate video on that. We're just gonna be talking about what I'm running, how it looks, my experience with the installation, and all of that in this video today. Now, if you're a new viewer, please go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and a subscription, because we do all things Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma was literally stock, factory stock, not too long ago, and now we're lifted. We got some beefy tires on there, but we're not done. We got a lot more to come, a lot more to do, and I'm super excited. My pocket, not so happy, but all right, let's talk about it. In the front, 2.5 lift with an OME 2888 spring and Bilstein 5100s. In the rear, 5100s shocks, but we do have a Deaver add-a-leaf in the rear. Now let me give you guys a little bit of a close-up. You can't really tell much here, but this is a different coil, different spring in there. You can tell a little bit better from in the front right there. That's a pretty good view. Shows you what's going on. For another video, but I do want to change out these upper control arms. There's this thing called JBA and the red, and I think it would look so cool. I really want to add like a little bit of red everywhere I can, but not too much. So I'm gonna get some red upper control arms so it kind of matches with the 4x4 back there. Then we have the 285 70 17s with the Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. This is my dream tire, sort of, kind of. I wanted the KO2s, but now that I have these, I literally could not be happier. I mean, if you just look at the tread pattern on this thing, let me try to get out the way and give you guys a better view. It is such a beefy tire. It looks so good. The sidewall is super aggressive. It's really what kind of drove me to get this because it just looks, I'm gonna bite your face off. Now, in the driveway of Chick-fil-A, you don't really need to be all that aggressive, but you know, maybe someday I'll go off-roading with this. For the wheel setup, I went with the 17x9 with the -12 offset. That gives me that bit of poke. Now, that is probably like literally the best angle I've gotten so far. It pokes out that much. Sometimes I literally grab my mirror, point it downward till I can see my tire being so freaking girthy back here. Just to look at it, it's so sick. Now, if you're wondering what wheels these are level 8 Mark 6 or Make 6 by level 8. I think they look super cool. They're kind of like race car, not race car, they're kind of like Fast and Furious wheels on an off-roady truck, but it's also a sport. So yeah, that's why I got them. I didn't want to go too off-roady with like some beadlock crazy thing. I'm going to the mall in this truck. Literally, I was going to the mall, but well, something happened for another video. Now, I haven't measured. Again, I'm gonna make as many videos as I can, and each thing is kind of its own special thing, and I don't want to rush anything. So I just wanted to give you guys an update, show you guys that this is what my Tacoma is looking like now. In my opinion, it looks super sick. Now, I know you're gonna have some questions. Does it rub? Was the installation easy? How much did it cost? Where did you get it done? What kind of blah blah? And I'm here to tell you, I installed it myself. Good thing, I saved money. Bad thing, I kind of screwed something up. Does it rub? Yes, a lot. Like, I was super surprised. Now, I went with the 285 70 17. I knew they were gonna rub a little bit. I went with the -12 offset because I really liked the way Rob Motive's truck looked. It looked so sick in his videos, and I was like, I gotta have it. I literally need to have it. And I got it, and well, now I'm rubbing. You can't see too well in the camera here just due to the angle. I'm rubbing all right here. I'm rubbing up front here. I'm rubbing here. This literally, I was just leaving, and this whole thing was trying to leave. I don't know if you guys can tell. Up here, it's getting a lot dirtier as stuff is coming up more. All down the side of here, getting a lot dirtier. All right here. Now, my mud flaps had to come off with the lift kit or without. They were not fitting, they were not cooperating, they were just trying to, they were literally here, and if I would have turned too hard, it'd be somewhere down there in that forest. So had to take them off. Just on daily driving stuff, there are situations that I come in contact with where I rub. What do you guys think? I think it looks absolutely sick. Unfortunately, my exhaust is not too much of a fan of this lift kit, as it's getting absolutely obliterated. That is my lift kit. I'm super happy with it. I'm almost done with my truck. I feel so close. I literally feel so close, yet so far away. Now, I do want to get some LED headlight bulbs, and I don't know really which ones I'm going with yet. Right now, I'm having some troubles with the alignment, but yeah, nonetheless, once it is done, we'll be good to go. Now I'm gonna shut up. I'm just gonna drive the truck. I'm not gonna put any music, so you guys are just gonna have to listen to the like raw audio. We're gonna put some video here. I'm gonna show you guys how it turns, when it rubs, where it rubs, and we'll go from there. All right, so it's getting super windy out here. It's getting super loud. As you can tell, there's a plane in the air, and it's time to wrap up the video. If you guys did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I hope you guys did enjoy. I have a lot of stuff planned for this channel, for this Tacoma, and I really like that all of you guys are super, super involved. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you want me to make any videos, let me know, because I know when you're doing this, you want to do it, you just don't know where to start, and I want to help you guys throughout the whole process. So, with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.